Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by downloading the Shopify mobile app on your smartphone or tablet. This powerful tool allows you to manage your entire dropshipping business on the go. You can easily create your store, select a theme, and begin adding products. Focus on a profitable niche and use integrated apps to discover high-demand items. This mobile-first approach offers incredible flexibility, letting you operate your business from virtually anywhere with an internet connection. Finding products is simple with mobile dropshipping apps like DSers or Spocket, which integrate directly with Shopify. Browse thousands of products, filter by category, and import them to your store in just a few taps. Ensure your product descriptions are compelling and your images are high quality. Remember, mobile users often make quick decisions, so clear and concise listings are key to converting visitors into customers. The Shopify mobile app makes managing orders incredibly efficient. You can view new orders, fulfill them with your suppliers, and track shipping updates all from your device. Respond to customer inquiries promptly using the built-in chat or email features. Staying connected helps build trust and loyalty. Plus, you can check your daily sales, visitor numbers, and other key metrics anytime, anywhere, giving you full control over your business's health. Marketing your dropshipping store is crucial for growth. Use mobile apps to create and manage social media ads, email campaigns, and push notifications. Engage with your audience on platforms like Instagram and Facebook, which are heavily mobile-driven. Monitor your campaign performance and adjust your strategies to maximize your reach and sales. With consistent effort, you can scale your mobile dropshipping business to achieve significant success.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.